Welcome! Today we're going to cover how to edit items that are already in a treatment plan. As always, we recommend using two devices while learning. One to view these instructions, and the second one, your iPad with DDS GP installed to follow along in real time. Ready? Let's get started. Editing the treatment plan is easy and flexible. To change the order of entries, navigate to the treatment plan in the icon menu or sidebar. Press and hold the item you wish to move and drag it to the desired position. It's common to reorder items for clarity, typically placing the diagnosis first, followed by the associated treatment. If you need to remove an item from the treatment plan entirely, you can do so by tapping Edit in the upper right corner of the treatment plan window in the icon view, then selecting the entry you want to remove. In the sidebar, you may also simply swipe the item left and tap the Delete button. As always, we encourage you to incorporate DDS GP into all of your treatment plans, no matter how big or small. If you have any questions or comments, please visit our website at www.ddsgp.com.